Hello everyone, in this tutorial we explain how to install and run Llama 3.1 large language model or LLM locally on your Windows computer. But before we start, here's some background information. Llama is a family of LLMs released by Meta AI, and Meta AI is formerly known as Facebook, and it's released in February 2023. The newest version of Llama is Llama 3.1, and according to the tests, it outperforms other LLMs. Also, smaller models can be run locally on your computer. And here is a demonstration. After you install Llama, you will simply be able to open a command prompt and you will be able to ask questions. For example, you can ask a question, what is the best way to learn mathematics? And let's see the answer. And this is a real-time answer on a computer, and my computer is basically 3 years old and nothing special. It has basically a GPU with I think 8 GB of memory, and that's it. You can see the idea, and then let's ask a control engineering question. What is a transfer function? And let's see the answer. And over here you can see the transfer function definition, etc. Since I have a PhD in control theory, I can go over this definition and I can probably find several errors. However, I'm not going to talk about that. I tested several times large language models for control theory and they're not reliable. They don't give you the precise answer. For example, over here it's not being written that transfer functions are actually defined for zero initial conditions. Okay, so let's start from scratch, and in this video tutorial I will lead you through every step such that you will be able to run this terminal and ask questions. You don't need to have the knowledge of Python, you don't need to have any knowledge. You will just be able to run everything from your terminal. We will install Llama by first installing Ollama. Ollama is an open source AI program enabling us to run LLMs locally on our computer. It can be seen as a version of Docker for LLMs. The first step is to go to this website and then click here on download and choose your operating system. Over here I have Windows operating system and click on download for Windows in preview. Okay, and now save it. Wait a while, I think it's around 200 megabytes file. Then over here click, open the downloads folder and run Ollama. And the installation will start after you press install. And over here you need to be patient. This will take a while. Let's go over this complete procedure and let's see what will happen. You'll be surprised actually. This program runs in the background, and that's the main thing. So it's not like a graphics user interface. It's just somewhere in the background of your system, and then you'll see how you can use it. So let's see what will happen now. Okay, now what happens? Where is the program? Nothing happened. Okay, so let's see. Now if you click over here, what you can see over here, you can see this nice small image of Llama. So if you click over here, you can see that Llama is actually running in the background. Sometimes a terminal window will automatically pop up, and what will happen is that you will see that you will be in a PowerShell. However, we don't want to be in PowerShell. So let's now just simply close this, quit Ollama, and let's start Ollama. Let's learn how to do that. So simply click here and click Ollama and start the app. And here it is. And now if you click again, it's running and you'll see a small icon over here. Okay, next, let's explain how to use Ollama from a terminal window. Next, click on Models, and this will lead you to this page. Over here, click on Llama. Over here you have several options. if you expand this menu, you will see that you have 8B, 70B, and 405B models. 8B means a model with 8 billion parameters. And my suggestion is, if you don't have a very strong computer, start with this model. Then later on, try to download a larger model. So after selecting over here, the only thing you need to do, believe it or not, is simply copy this thing. You can simply do it like this, Control C, and that's it. Okay, the next step is actually to open a terminal window or a command prompt. Make sure that Llama is running in the background, or Llama is actually running in the background. Now click on Start, search for command prompt, open the command prompt, and over here simply paste this. So what will happen right now, Llama will first download Llama model, right? It will download this model, and later on we will be able to simply use this model. So let's run, and now you have to wait here. This will take a while. Over here you can see the download process, it's around 5 GB, and you can see that it will take 2 minutes to download this. So over here I will just be patient and wait, and I will continue this video once this download process completes. Okay, so after several minutes you will see this verifying SHA-256, digest, writing manifest, removing any unused layers, and success. Okay, now we are ready to ask questions. For example, let's start with the first question. What is the best way to learn coding? Let's see the answer. And you see the answer. You can see this is done in real time, and I can hear my GPU actually running in the background. And that's it. Simple as that. Now, let's see what will happen once we close this terminal. Let's close or quit Llama, and let's start from the beginning. So how to start this thing again? Well, let's just start a terminal without starting Llama. Then let's go to this web page and let's copy again this part over here, and let's do this. And let's see what will happen. Will the download process start or not? Let's see. We are automatically right now in Llama prompt. And let's see what happened over here. We can see that Llama automatically started, right? So you don't even need to actually explicitly start Llama. If you just open a terminal, and you can from a terminal type Llama, right? Now, if I type again something, are you working, for example? Okay, and you can see I'm ready to work for you. So exit. It's a very short chat. So we didn't exit, or not, or we did. How to exit? Let's see. Like this. No, we cannot exit. How about Control C? It seems it's not working. It's saying Control D, and with Control D you can exit. Okay, so if you press Control D, you can exit. Good. Next, let's learn how to uninstall Llama and Llama. And this is very important. Namely, you would often want to start from scratch to change some properties, install, uninstall. So it's very useful how to learn how to uninstall. Well, the procedure is not so straightforward, and I will explain you why. Well, if you just click on Start and add or remove programs over here, and if you type Llama over here, you will see Llama version 0.30. So if you click on Install, you will formally uninstall from here. That is, from your Windows system. However, that is not complete uninstall. So why is that? Well, now if you go to your username, in the case of me, the username is Alex, so let me just show you this. you have this folder over here where all the users of the computer are placed. And if I click on my name, and if you now click here, you will see that there are still some artifacts from your Llama. Okay, so you need to erase this to perform a clean uninstall because something is still being memorized in your system. From the installation, it follows that Llama places a folder over here in this path and make sure that there is no folder Llama located over here. If there is no folder located over here, this means that you have properly installed Llama. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.